So what does leverage mean? Leverage has a couple of related meanings, but it generally refers to using something to gain an advantage or achieve a greater result. The most common meanings are in finance, business, and general usage. In finance and business, leverage means using borrowed money or resources to increase the potential return on investment. In everyday language, leverage refers to using any kind of advantage skills, knowledge, or resources to get a better outcome. The company used leverage to acquire another business, borrowing money to make the deal possible. She used her connections to leverage an opportunity to work with top designers. Let's look at more examples of how leverage is used. By negotiating a good deal, he was able to leverage his position to secure a better salary. In business, you can leverage your strengths to create a more successful strategy. The entrepreneur leveraged his network to launch the new product quickly. In these examples, leverage is about using something, whether it's money, skills, or connections, to maximize results. You might be wondering, when should I use the word leverage? You use leverage when you're talking about using resources or advantages to achieve something better. Whether it's financial leverage, borrowing money to increase profit, or leveraging your skills, connections, or reputation to gain an advantage, leverage is about making the most of what you have. For example, if you use your professional connections to get a job opportunity, you're leveraging your network. She was able to leverage her reputation in the industry to secure new clients. Quick recap. Leverage means using resources or advantages to gain more or achieve a better result. In finance, it refers to borrowing money to increase returns. In general use, it can mean using skills, connections, or opportunities for a greater benefit. You use leverage when talking about maximizing your potential or resources to get a better outcome. Now you know what leverage means and how to use it in different contexts.